Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry I'm filthy, just got off work. Just wanted to give some updates as what's going on. Had a lot going on lately. Got the tow truck finished and had taken it out on its first drive, first actual drive. I was driving it to work, and let's just show you. Didn't even get very far, but the drive shaft is now at an L shape, so that's not good. It sheared off the clamps that were holding it on the rear end, and one of the worst parts about it is if you look under here, sorry, let me get you guys back up in a second. Let's see if you can see. Let me get a little light up there. Gotta pull out my phone. There's the inside. Of the transmission. So that's not good. And if we slide up even further, you can see that completely around the bell housing is cracked. Pretty sure all the way through. So gotta figure out. It was vibration of some sort, but I think it may be something to do with this transmission brake. The e-brake is on the transmission, and it seems it also broke the mount here, so that's new. Yeah, you can see on this side it's basically all the way around. So yeah, that's great. Just been a pretty bad week, really. I guess kind of good news is it goes into all gears. Even reverse, so might try to have it welded up. Depends, we have to drop it out, and just depends on how bad it is. Oh look, here's a piece of the trans. That and some other things have got in the way of everything. That and a couple other things have gotten in the way of progress. We didn't upload last week. Really not ideal. We're here for you guys. We apologize about not having any videos last week. It's just things like that and other life events have really been trying to get us down, but we're gonna keep pushing forward. This sets us back a good bit, really, but we're not gonna stop. We're gonna keep pushing out content for you guys. We're gonna keep pushing on the Civic, BMW, figure out what to do with the truck. It's just, it might take some time with some of it, especially the truck, but we're still working, we're still grinding, still trying to make content for you guys. We'll have videos this week, just like normal, and I'll quit talking and get to the parts unboxing. See you. Ooh. Ooh.
It's another unboxing video! What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Welcome back. I'm just in the mood today, but let's get it. What do we got?
Lots of boxes,
We got boxes.
as you can tell. Well, not lots, but big boxes.
We got, well, not that one. We got 3 boxes, de-escalating in size, and some stuff we already opened.
Yeah.
Horrible box opening video. Want to talk about it first or just get into it?
Well, we have the 2 big boxes you're gonna love to see, and I think that one is just upper
Control arms? Is that the control arms?
I believe so.
So,
We'll find out.
needed upgrade, but also safety and maintenance stuff. You know, gotta replace those suspension components. We've talked about that very little bit. You want to get into it?
Yep, let's get it.
All right, we start with the control arms.
Yes. We got to...
We got the new, haven't been shown box opening utensil.
Wow. Let's get into it.
Acquired at Gibbons Trading Post, who's also been very kind to us and what we do.
Drum roll, please. Another box.
A box inside a box.
Okay, let's see. Oh, this box we don't have to cut. Voila. There we go.
Boom. Oh. Comes with the ball joints and bolt
Thankfully.
in and slide in the little adjustment slotted area.
Yep.
Grab
And that's spec detuning.
spec detuning, so we're
Try them out.
ready to try them out. Doesn't look too bad.
No. It's got 4 bolts too, so.
Yeah, a slide plate. We might make a plate to help keep that a little bit.
Yeah, make a top plate for it to help sandwich it. Keep the pressure going.
So
All
nothing
right.
super exciting unless you're one of those stance kids.
And we just want adjustability. Okay.
And the upgraded bushings.
Yes. Now to the biggest box. From CX Racing.
While he's opening it. By the way, this is for the hatch, if we didn't already mention. So Mark's car, so he's actually the one doing the opening. We're just here, getting some other little maintenance stuff done.
Another box.
Boxes inside of boxes. Oh, what is that?
That's the downpipe.
That looks like a downpipe. We didn't say it was a turbo kit, so.
Yeah, it was a complete surprise for you guys.
Complete surprise. She's getting boosted. Most people who know us probably thought about that already.
Yeah.
So, Buddy Connor, Project GT, you were right, bud. Told you that earlier on a message.
Not bad.
We can just flip that upside down, go straight out the hood with it.
Yeah. You know, just see this weld that they put in here? Just right before it. Bop. But not a bad downpipe.
That should be what they
Feel
say
that.
it was, 304 stainless.
Yeah, it should be 3 or 4.
So, honestly, I'm really excited to check out the stuff from CX. I've heard a lot of really good things about them here in the last, 5-6 years. They've gotten a lot better. From what I noticed, and I don't know if this is 100% true or not, but they started as an eBay brand and then have kind of upped the production quality since then. So, like I said, we're really excited to see what the new hype's about.
See what's up with it.
All right, piece of resistance.
Next box, I think the manifold.
Oh, yep, not the piece of resistance. Gaskets.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And it's T4 and the
T3, T4.
T3, T4.
So drilled for both.
And need to weld on probably a V-band onto this. That was the one thing the kit did say, that for the wastegate it does not have the flange on it, but it's ready to go right there.
Yep. We're also super excited to try to be working with V-band stuff as much as we can, since I don't think either one of us, well, the Subi's got some V-band stuff.
Yeah.
I haven't personally got to use it yet. I know some of the stuff that I'm looking at for myself has it, and I'm really excited to work with it. So always got to try new things. It's been a while for me, so.
Let you guys get a nice peek inside here, so you can see it in all its beauty.
And
Not
obviously,
bad, not bad.
obviously you guys can tell we're just opening this, so we might be able to still dot some T's and cross some I's.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just said that. Overall, I've seen a lot worse, especially from quote unquote eBay stuff.
Okay, enough of that box. No one wants to see gaskets.
Alright. And like I said, some more suspension stuff. I mean, anybody knows what rear camber arms look like on a Civic. So those are Godspeed though, and they actually also look like they've stepped their game up a little bit.
Wait, what are Godspeed?
Huh? The control or the
That's the front and that's spec D.
no, the rear.
Okay.
Camber.
I know what you're talking about. Know what you're talking about. I forgot about those. Maybe get this out of here.
Yep. Don't get any of that personal info in there. You're just gonna cut through. You're gonna keep it.
Maybe. Or with the paper.
Got it. I'll set that over here.
Alright, into the next box. Ooh.
Let's see. Return line.
Yep.
Other associated fittings.
Stuff like that. A sandwich plate?
Did it come? Say it was coming with a sandwich plate?
I don't think. I don't remember seeing that. But yeah, sandwich plate.
We'll have to double check that. It came with a sandwich plate. And I don't know if it came with a sandwich plate yet. Or was supposed to. Return line bung for the pan, I think. Which, thanks to Greg, we already got dash 10 return line.
Yep, there it is. You guys can see that. T67.
Forget y'all saw that. We're not giving away too many secrets.
They'll probably know once they see it. Or if they saw the other stuff and lacking of intercooler.
Right.
So many layers. Even more layers.
Let me
Take the Sharpie thing. Oh yeah.
ooh.
There she is.
Get that
So, decent sized boy.
medium sized boy. Nothing too big.
Yeah, nothing too crazy here. But,
Still 1.6 liter car. Gotta have something to spool it.
yeah. That 3-inch inlet.
Looks like it.
And I don't know if you guys noticed, but V-band outlet.
Right. We got a couple clamps in there.
But yeah, there she is.
All right. Is there anything
here in a minute we might show you the shifter that we had installed. We forgot to record some of that, so we'll show you that here soon.
All right. Until then, we got to finish up what we're doing and get it back on the ground so we can show you. We'll catch you here in just a few.